Hey guys, it's Clinton. Welcome to the Only Profit Academy. And right in front of you guys is $100,000 account. And in the previous video, I mentioned that I'm going to be showing you guys how I scalp the market. And this is the amount I feel comfortable trading. And yeah, let's get right into it, guys. Right in front of us right now is the euro dollar. And I'm looking at an opportunity to go short. And this is a method 2 trade. As you can see, I placed a line on the price where I know for a fact that the market is going to be taking price to, and I'm going to carefully place my take profit on that price. Boom, there we go. I'm looking at making over $5,000 on this trade, so everything looks good. And lest I forget, feel free to join my free Telegram group. The link is gonna be in the description, so you can get to see updates on my trades and basically just everything I do on a daily basis. I'm just gonna be uploading it there on the Telegram group. And if you want to get access to how I trade and how I look at the market, you can visit the website. I'm in the trade right now. Everything looks good, and I'm gonna get back to you guys in a bit. Boom, there we go, guys. It's 12 p.m. here in Miami, and I have successfully made over 5% of my accounts in one trade. Take profit hits, guys. This is too easy. Once you understand the universal truth about the market, making profits becomes second nature to you. You can simply look at the market, figure out where it's going to, and follow it to profits. If you want to copy my trades and leave the market with profits with myself and the team, feel free to send me a message or visit the website. And this is what I do every day, guys. Scalp the market, depending on what the market gives me, and leave with little profits here and there. And this was an easy, close to $6,000 effortlessly made. These are times where you need to let your money make you more money. And how did I get to this level of consistency? Time, persistence, and hard work. I have spent a lot of time on the charts. One of the reasons why I like uploading on the channel is because I want to show traders around the world that consistency is possible as long as you put your mind to it, as long as you keep striving. Nothing is impossible. And I do not trade a lot of pairs. As far as scalping goes, I only scalp the euro dollar and the euro yen. Those are the two currency pairs I'm very, very comfortable scalping. And my system works on those pairs comfortably. It works on GBP, the Japanese yen, the pound yen, and it also works on gold. But I personally just love the euro dollar and the euro yen, and that's why I scalp them more often. And that there's going to be a lot of scalps here on the channel. There's going to be a lot of day trades on the channel. There's going to be a lot of things coming up on the channel. Like I told you guys in previous videos, I'm going to be showing you guys how to be consistent here on the channel, and all this is for motivational purposes. The reason why I deposited $100,000 of my money is to show you guys I've traded small accounts, I've traded $5,000 accounts, I've traded $500 accounts, and I've shown you guys myself grow this account to 5 figures. And what I want to do right now is just scalp an account that I'm going to be more comfortable with the amount of profits I'm going to be making. And that is why I feel like the uploads are going to be more consistent now, because this was an easy close to $6,000 I just made trading my system. So if you want to learn how I trade, or if you have any questions concerning my system, feel free to visit the website or send me an email or reach out to me via WhatsApp. So life is good. Kicking off the day with $5,000. I don't know when I'm going to upload this video on the channel, but I know you guys are going to get it very soon, because I want you guys to understand that this is really easy. Clinton signing out from Miami. Have a wonderful trading week, and hey guys, trade safely.